Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm here, Captain Kirk in Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2014 262 BH Trail-Lite. This is actually a really nice little unit. It's a bunkhouse. It's fairly light, towable by lots of different things. It is a smooth-sided unit, no slides. It does have a nice open floor plan inside with lots of sleeping area. On the front, you have your battery location, dual propane tanks, power tongue jack. Let's kind of move down the side and see what we got. The door is open here, but they got, somebody put an aftermarket LED strip, it looks like, on there. So we've got light out here, porch light, outdoor speakers, front storage bay. We got nice tires and wheels on this guy. It actually has a cool little access back here on the back, and we can shimmy through here. It's got an access to the bed and or storage if you'd like. So right now you can kind of put bikes or coolers if you want in there, and that's the bed flipped up, and the bed does come down. So you have storage underneath as well if you didn't want tall storage. Anyhow, let's jump inside and take a look. As you make your way in, as you can see, it's really wide and open. There's your front bedroom there with a curtain to draw across, front bed, storage all the way around, a couch for sitting and entertaining that also makes into a bed, your kitchen and mid kitchen here, nice double sink, big fridge, your stove. The dinette also makes into a bed. You have your TV location here, DVD player with your cables. And as you look to the back and left corner of this unit, you have the beds. And up, you got kind of a full and a twin beds there. You also have the bathroom back there on the right hand side. Lots of good storage in this trailer. You got a pantry. At any rate, this trailer or anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to help you. My name is Kirk.Blair. They go by Captain Kirk out here. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to helping you with anything on the lot. Thank you.